Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to provide a solution to this very simple trigonometric equation. 2 sine squared x plus cosine x minus 2 equals to 0. Let's get started. I would like to transform sine squared x in terms of cosine squared x because we have another cosine squared x. But remember, we are looking for the value of x from 0 to 2 pi, just a complete cycle. So I know that 1 minus cosine squared x is the same thing as sine squared x because sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals to 1. So we have 2 multiplied by 1 minus cosine squared x instead of sine squared x plus cosine squared x, cosine x minus 2 equals 0. Let's expand. This is 2 times 1 is 2 minus 2 cosine squared x, then plus cosine x minus 2 equals 0. All right, 2 minus 2 will go. What do we have left? We only have negative 2 cosine squared x plus cosine x equal to 0, but I would like to multiply by a negative sign so that this becomes 2 cosine squared x minus cosine x equals 0. We have cosine x in both terms, so let me bring it outside. Cosine x outside. Inside we have 2 cosine x minus 1 equals 0. It implies that either cosine x equals 0 because we have 2 factors, or cosine x equals 1 over 2. As negative 1 crosses over, it becomes 1, positive, then you divide by 2. So you have this. So we are going to solve these 2 equations. Let me use my unit cycle. Cosine is 0 where and where? Here at 3 pi over 2. Here at pi over 2, right? These are the only 2 places where you can find cosine of an angle to be equal to 0. So our first solution, x equals pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. Then coming to this one, you can see it is positive, so it is either in this quadrant or this quadrant. Cosine inverse of 1 over 2 will give us 60 degrees or pi over 3. But in here, it will be 2 pi less than pi over 3, which is going to give us 5 pi over 3. So we have another solution, pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. So we have 4 solutions from 0 to 360 degrees or from 0 to 2 pi. For this particular equation. Simple.